me working. Aww. Red light. We got a nice little rainy day back road cruising going on today. I tried to record this same exact video on Friday, but the footage, well, I was gonna say the footage got corrupted, but not really. I just recorded the whole video, and when I brought my phone down from where it's recording at, it wasn't recording. So, you know, that was cool. Hey, real quick, let me say thank you for, last time I checked, 42 subscribers. That's pretty amazing. I think this channel's been going for about 8 days now, and 42 subscribers in 8 days feels pretty massive to me, so that's cool. Just knowing there's 42 different people out there that want to see these videos and like the channel enough to subscribe, so I don't know. Just wanted to say thank you guys and let you know it's pretty cool. I know there's a place to pass them coming up because I passed another car around this part somewhere. So I'm just hanging out in third gear. Yeah, fuck, man. It's so annoying because the Friday's drive was so fucking sick. I wish I would have had that. I would have had a nice video to post this last weekend too. I blame myself though. I didn't put my phone on Do Not Disturb. So I got a FaceTime call. Literally 30 seconds into the video recording, I got a FaceTime call and it just ended the video. Fuck. See, I do that shit and it feels so gnarly in the car, but I rewatch it in the video and it just looks like nothing. It just looks like I made a fucking turn. We'll see how that one turned out. I'm still kind of learning because I don't really try to do that shit too often. So I'm still learning how it feels and what to do with the car. So any advice, comment down below, please, because I need it all. I need the advice when it comes to fucking all-wheel drive sliding, I guess. guys can see more of the car and the drive. Because right now, like I'm saying, my phone's in the visor. So it's not the best, but it's also not the worst. It's working for now. But, excuse me, I'd like to be able to see what I'm recording as well, and if my phone's recording, so I don't have this problem again. So I'm gonna get a little cup holder unit that holds my phone up kind of by my face. Helps you see more of my videos if this is what you're into. There's plenty more content to come. So, yeah, hit that little notification bell so you get notified when